Question 29. The numbers -2, 3 and 4 are each used once and substituted at random for a, b and c in the equation ax plus b equals c. What is the probability that x is negative? So this, we're trying to find and solve for x in effect with these numbers. We're going to use systematic listing to make sure that we have every permutation of those three numbers in this expression here. And we need to express our answer as a common fraction, so probability as a fraction. So the first thing I'm going to do is rearrange. I want to know what x is. That's where I'm getting to. So I'm going to subtract b from both sides. And then I'm going to divide by a. So this is the equation that I need to use. I need to find all the permutations for a, b and c. So I'm going to list them first. I'm not going to just guess and hope I've got them all. I'm going to list them. So 2, 3 and 4 is one permutation. I'm now going to keep a the same, but then swap these two over. I'm then going to use the second number. And then the third number. I now need to know what x is. So I'm going to write the equations down just so I get them right. 4 subtract 3 divided by -2. I'm subtracting a -2 and dividing by 3. I'm subtracting by -2. And this final one here. 4 subtract 3 is 1. Therefore, I have a negative number. 3 subtract 4 is -1. -2 at the bottom. Therefore, I have a positive number. All of these are positive, so this is going to be positive. -2 subtract -4, -6 divided by 3, -2. Other way around. -2, so therefore this is going to be negative. All positives are going to be positive. -2 subtract -3 is indeed -5. So therefore we're looking at a negative number. We have half of them are negative, half of them are positive. So therefore the probability that x is negative is a half. I like it when it comes out. The answer is pretty straightforward.